I just realized I didn't film an intro or an outro. So hey, hi, we're doing some summer going out outfits. Let's just jump into it. I hope you enjoy. Girl, look. I still love matching sets, okay? This one is from White Fox Boutique and it's so comfortable. Honestly, it's just cozy. Like, I feel dressy and cute, but also super comfy. I know that like this style of halter top was really big last summer, but it's still big in my world. Right, little bag, little glasses, and some nude heels. I mean, it feels so cute. A nudie brown, whatever, taupey color looks good on everybody. You know, I feel like it's universally flattering, you know? Because it's a haltered, like you could tie this other ways too. The string is really long, but I love it. And just pairing this, you could do a patterned bag with it. I went with this white one, but it does have like the croc print, which I think is really pretty. So it keeps this still very neutral. Throw on little sunglasses, put your hair up. Cute. This is, I really feel like this is for the girl that wants to go more comfortable when you go out. Or if you don't like wearing shorts or like short bottoms, this is perfect because these pants are flared. Don't look at my feet. Number two, this one can go a few different ways. I tried to think of like different situations for like every girl. Now this one is a really cute, simple little slip dress. The boob part's a little big on me. I don't know what happened. Did I stretch it? I feel like a little slip dress like this one with the black, and I paired it with a little black bag. I feel like if you have like a fun color, that would be cute. But I just did an all black moment. This to me feels like I'm going on like a winery date, or I'm going for like a cute little simple bachelorette night, but we're doing like the dinner. You know what I mean? Like, this to me feels very girly and feminine, but like classy at the same time. And you can never go wrong with a little LBD. I don't know what is happening with this. Do you see what I'm seeing? Why is it not like... I gotta take this off. This is bugging me, but you get the vibe. You get what I'm going for here? This has the same vibe to me as the first outfit, very like trendy or whatever. I don't know if this needs to go here or here. And I could have sized up, but that's fine. This nude heels, a little white bag. I could switch out the glasses too, but I feel like this is really cute. Hair up, big hoops. This to me is, we're going out to get some drinks and take some cute photos. Because this is a little uncomfortable because it's so short and so tight. So this is very like, I need a picture. How did this just break in my hand? Like, it broke in my hand. R.I.P. Okay. Anyway, so this is very, let me get a cute Instagram photo, girls' night. Men, don't get too close though, because if you get too close to me, you're gonna piss me off, okay? You know? The strappy nude heel, vacation night out. Do you feel me? Just a little like, oh yeah, let's go grab that for dinner. That's fine. Let's do that. Can I have a cocktail? Hi, yes. Can I have a lemon drop? Thank you so much. I've never had one of those, but I'm just guessing. Just like a little, I kind of buttoned it weird because I was trying to do something cute. So this was like follow, whatever. So don't mind this. I know having the animal print is kind of crazy, but I feel like that's what makes it vacation vibe. You know? I see it. I would do it. Like, look how long it is. It's so long. So you could just throw it over your bathing suit before you go to dinner. I got you. Look at this fun little girly skirt, okay? And then cute little thing. This could also be like a brunch outfit, honestly. But this to me is like either you're going on a super girly feminine date night moment. You know what I mean? Like, I'm going to the sushi restaurant at sunset in Malibu and Nobu. Like, that's what I would do for this, you know what I mean? Cute. Or this would be very like, I'm on vacation with my girlfriends and we're just doing the nice, fun cocktail hour. This could be a cute cocktail hour. What do they wear for a real cocktail hour? I don't know. In my cocktail hour in Hawaii, this is what I wear. This is cute. I have this, what's it called? A plie kind of fabric. I love it. Yes, you can see my boobs and my nipples through it. I don't care. I like it. And then this skirt is my favorite thing in the world right now. It's from White Fox Boutique. Like this is my favorite one, I think. My absolute favorite. Did you like these? I hope you did. Let me know what other fashion style videos you would like to see from me. Outside of outfits, do you want to see recreation of things? Do you want to see more hauls? Do you want me to take you into stores with me? Do you want me to take you online shopping with me? What do you want? I want to hear from you. I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you again very soon. Bye, guys.